Hi guys, how are you all? Hi Inian, hi Pranav, hi Nikita, how are you? Hey
Uh,
Nikita, what
I
are they doing? What are they doing in school?
we're doing something called uh it's called I mean it's related to K equals Y over X.
Is that easy? We did that here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Why do you say like that? Are you're able to
No,
relate?
I can't remember like what the name is called. If it's called like the topic. Can't remember the name. It's like something with proportions or something. Like
Con constant of
yeah,
proportion.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
We did that here, right? Do you remember?
yeah, yeah. I remember. But I couldn't remember the name of it.
Hi Shruti, how are you?
Good.
Jashwita, I really wanted to understand your question. First, I was checking through your homework too. You had some questions looks like, right?
Yeah, but I already submitted.
Yeah, I saw that. And still you had some questions, right?
Yeah, like two more.
Actually, what were the questions, Amma, in your homework? Meaning I did not get it. You did not know to solve any of the 60 or you did not find the
No,
question.
I thought the index was like the questions.
So you scrolled through it.
Yeah, I didn't know what were the
Ah,
questions. That's why I was
okay.
confused.
Okay, so
Can
who
I
found out? Mom or you?
My mom's friend found out.
Great, good to know.
can
Uh,
I think I have a question on on the homework. Can I go like get the copy so that I can ask the question?
yeah. You want me to go to the homework?
I mean,
Absolutely.
I can just I'm trying. Can I go like get my like paper like copy of it so that I know which question it was?
Sure, absolutely. That's what I'm here for, right? Don't worry. Wait, let's go there. Okay, you know what? I wanted to mark attendance as well. Mm,
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
can I go get some water?
Yes, and I want you to let me know what and all you're not getting.
Okay.
Okay. Netra, you here? Krishav is here, I know. Pranav, Jashwita is here. Sreshta, you're here, ma? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Sreshta, what are you doing in school, ma?
We're doing unit rate now.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Are you using what we are using here?
Yeah.
Hi, Devansh, how are you?
Good.
You're Pragya's son, right?
Yes.
Good to see you today. Okay. Ishan, where are you, Ishan? Yeah, good job, Ishan. Nowadays, on your toes. Shubham, how are you? Shubham. Hey, Manvi, how are you? Good to see you after a long time, lady.
Hi. Good to see
How
you
are,
too.
how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good. What are they doing in school, ma?
You mean in math specifically
Yeah,
or
math
um
specifically.
we're mostly getting back into school stuff, so basically we're just doing rationals and like fractions right now.
Okay. 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 Is that easy now for you at school?
Very much.
Okay. Shruti, what are they discussing? Proportionality?
Yeah, constant proportionality.
It's easy, ma?
And they're doing it on like tables and graphs.
Oh, we did, right? We did
Yeah.
the same. Yeah, we did exactly the same thing. So I'm done with it. So I'm going to move on to similar triangles. Okay. Similar triangles, similar figures, all that stuff today. Shiv, how are you doing in school? I would really like to hear from you a little bit.
We are learning rationals and like rationals and irrationals
Is it
numbers.
making your job at school easy or not? Whatever we are doing here.
Pretty easy, and like there's this one like
Mm-hmm.
gave us homework, and then they gave us like square roots like two, which is between two consecutive integers. The
Mm-hmm.
teacher didn't teach us that, so she said I got it right. It's pretty easy.
Good to know. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do more of similar triangles, which is on proportionality. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. really want to go over, I really want to review from last week, okay? And then, okay, first I need to open out your homework. And then ask you whether you had questions and
Miss
then
Priya,
we'll.
my dad
Yes.
sent the homework to you.
Yes, I'm happy, lady. I saw it. I was going through it a few minutes back. I think I have not replied though, but I did see through the homework. I was happy indeed getting it. Did you all play the game kit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, I can go through. Okay, Ishan, it stopped you on 7 questions because if you read 7 questions correctly, then it will stop you as well. That's how I said it. Next time I won't set it like that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go over this. I was looking over your homework, the 60-question homework, but let me open it up, share my screen, and you can let me know what questions you have. Okay. Here. How about why am I not finding it? Why am I taking time? Give me a minute, guys. Yes, it is in here. Do you see my screen? Okay. Now, Sreshta, how are you, ma? What are they doing in school, ma?
We're doing unit rate.
Is it easy, ma?
Yeah,
Or you finding it tough?
it's easy.
Okay. Please stay the end of the class, Sreshta. I really want to solve all your algebra 1 problems, then only let you go.
Okay.
Okay. There is some confusion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Okay, guys. Which problem, ma? Which problem, ma? Go ahead.
Number 57 and 58.
Okay. Bihan, would you mind letting me know?
Which question I had?
What question you had? I'm asking.
I don't know why I didn't get it before, but when I just looked at it, I just figured it out. Like,
Okay. Jashwit, I'm sorry. Now tell me your question numbers.
57 and 50. No, 57 and 56.
Krishu, what are you doing in school? How are you feeling?
Good, it's easy.
Whatever you are doing in school is easy.
Yeah, this is like a new topic for me. We started learning about like angles.
Uh-huh.
Like I know most of the angles, but they're talking about like different like finding like how much angles like this is or something like that.
I see. We will, maybe I will give an overview, but I think we'll cover it as we move on. Make sense? I don't mind covering a little bit of it and giving you a heads up on it. Okay, Krisha? Before that, what did you cover?
Oh, we were doing like back to school like fractions, addition, subtraction.
Oh, that was easy, huh?
Yes.
Okay, good to know. Okay. Jashwit, I'm here, ma. 57, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what is the constant of proportionality that relates y to x? Who can answer this question for me? Who is my volunteer? Or I'll pick.
Um.
I'm okay either way.
Like.
Whatever you guys suggest, I'll do.
I don't know if I got it right.
No problem. Even if you didn't get it right, volunteer doesn't have to be always right.
So like how I found the constant proportionality,
Mm-hmm.
I did 10.5 divided by 4.2, which got
Mm-hmm.
0.5.
Mm-hmm. Let's look through. Good thoughts. Krishiv, your hand is up. You go ahead and tell us. What's up?
I got like different proportionality for each one. Well, except for two that were the same. But I got three different proportionality.
Then there's something wrong, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Miss
So,
Priya,
Yama,
when I solved this, I got 4.2 as the constant of proportionality.
how did you solve, Nikita?
I divided 10.4 and 4.2. 10.5, sorry, and then negative 4.2.
So why don't we check that? Let's see. Okay. So it is, what is 10.5 by 4.2? Again, it is 1.75 by point. It cannot be different. Okay, let's see. What is 10.5 by 4.2 ma? 105 by
Two and
42. Right? Mm-hmm.
1/2.
So was it 1/2?
2.5.
No. What was the answer for constant of proportionality?
2.5.
So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, right? So 35 by 14, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, it's 2.5. Correct, ma?
Yes.
What is 1.75? 17.5 by 7, right? Will be 2. Then you have 35, 2.5. Okay. Now let's do this one. 3.75 by 1.5. What is the constant of proportionality? 37.5 by 15, right? So it will be 5 3s are 15, 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. So 3 2s are 6. 2.5. Okay. Now the last one. 6.5 by 2.6. Krishav, you were the one who got differently, right?
Yes.
You were the one. What did you get? This is also, I'm seeing 65 by 26, right? So basically it's 13.5 by 2, 2.5. Everything is the same, right, Krisha?
I got like, oh, I
What
was
happened?
I was saying that I thought like 25 and 2.5 were like different answers.
Now you got it?
Think so, yeah. It's just 2 and 5.
Okay. So the constant of proportionality is y by x when the relationship between x and y is proportional. Make sense? Okay. Now, Devansh and Manvi, you may not follow anything till we discuss our homework and go back to our today's lesson. Is that okay, Devansh? Is it okay, Manvi?
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
My only problem is you cannot switch off your videos as well. Okay. So that's a mandate, guys. I'm requesting you on that. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions that we want to discuss? Jashwita, did you get how to do?
Yes.
Okay. Any more questions?
56 also.
Sorry.
56 also. Johan, what are you doing, Johan?
In school?
Yeah, I don't even see you on the video. So that puts me in a lot of concern.
I'm right here.
Okay, good. But I don't see you still. Camera is facing the ceiling.
Better?
Ah, that's little better. A little. I'm seeing your just your forehead. I'm seeing. Okay. So a line is graphed. So ma, here you found the constant of proportionality given a table. Right? Here you're going to find the constant of proportionality given a graph. Clearly, the given relationship. See, there are always two quantities in a coordinate plane. One is your x, one is your y. X is your input, y is your output. Now, when you think about the input output, right? Here, the constant of proportionality, just because the line passes through the origin, we can say it is a what type of relationships, Rishta?
Multiplicative.
Multiplicative. Multiplicative means the other way of calling. See, multiplicative, we say that in 6th grade, right? So in 7th grade, it becomes, you end up calling it as what?
Proportional.
Proportional relationship, okay? If the line goes like this, see, it is not going through the origin. It is a linear relationship. This is also a line relationship. However, since this goes through the origin, it is a proportional relationship. This is a non-proportional relationship. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Jashwita, in this, if it is a proportional relationship, right, you can pick up any point. See, we'll pick up this point. Do you see? What is y by x, Jashwita? What is y by x?
3 by 4.
Y by x.
Oh, y by x. Oh, 4 by 3.
4 by 3. So similarly, if you pick up this is 8 by 6. It's always 4 by 3. That's it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions for me?
No, that's all.
Shiv and Shruti does have something to tell me. What is it? No problem, Shiv. Okay, Shruti. Thanks for the note. I really appreciate it. Manvi, you're good, Manvi, with all this? Can I move on? Okay, guys. Now I have something to discuss on similarity. Let's see. Can I stop screen share? Let me go to my board. Okay, now Devansh and Manvi, you should start understanding what we mean. I'm glad, Jashwita, you asked me about 56 and 57. I saw that having a question mark in your homework, right, Amma?
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad you asked about it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. Now, let's see this one. I draw a triangle. I draw another triangle. I draw a triangle. I draw a bigger triangle. What is this and what is this? What type of figures are these? This is A, B, C. A, B, C. This is A dash, B dash, C dash. Krishiv, you tell me. This is A dash, B dash, C dash. We are talking about triangles, right? So tell me, what type of figures are these two?
Triangles.
Yeah, that I know. They are triangles. But what type of figures? They exactly look alike. Their length.
A
Collateral?
cube.
What is it?
Equilateral?
You are trying to nail that. What type of figures is it, Manvi?
Symmetrical.
Good one. Good guess.
Similar.
Which is similar?
All of them.
Not really. What? There is some difference.
Three of them. Three of them.
One set is similar. One set is
And
Different.
one set is the same.
it's exactly the same. So what do you call them, Pranav?
Similar figures.
I know similar
Congruent.
figures, but one
Same,
set is
similar?
Congruent.
same shape. I will give you clues. Same
Proportion.
size.
Symmetrical
Good
figures.
question. I really like your guesses, but nobody has nailed it yet. Same shape. So let me give you
Equilateral figures?
different size.
Congruent.
Who said collateral figure? It's not collateral, but something else.
Equilateral?
No, it is
Congruent?
Who nailed it? Who nailed it? Correct. This set of figures is congruent. Why? Because they both are of the same shape and same size. Whereas this one, Devansh, are you following?
Yes.
Okay, whereas here, these two figures, one is small, same shape, they both are triangles, but of different size. So they are similar. Any questions? Now, when I say congruent and similar, what is the difference?
Well, congruent is the same.
Yeah, the
Hmm.
exact.
But similar means it's the same shape but a different size.
That's true. That I've written it here. Correct. But let's describe. Manvi, go ahead and tell me about the lengths of the sides and the angles. Tell me what is the relation between the length of their sides and angles, Ma.
They're both equilateral.
Yeah, so can I say AB? They're equilateral, and also this length of the side is the same as this length. This length is the same as this length. They may not be equilateral. See, now it tells that the three sides are all of different lengths, but it also tells that AB, the one tick mark here says A dash, B dash. And then it also says AC is equal to A dash, C dash. Then it also says BC is equal to B dash, C dash. Any questions here?
I have a question.
Yes, Jashwita, tell me.
Why do we add a dash?
Oh, it is just a name. Sometimes Jashwita, right? We call,
Yeah.
we say the J as J. But in Spanish, it's more of, they don't pronounce the J, right? So like that, it's
It's
just
like
a
an
different.
H. Spanish is
Yeah, exactly. So it's just a name. It can be C, D, E, F, doesn't matter. You
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
Now, coming to similar figure, before I go there, right? We talked about the sides. But what happens to the angles? Nikita, tell me what happens to the angles. Or Pranav, tell me what happens to their angles. Same. So what can I say? See, when I talk about line segments, I talk about two capital letters. Please, guys, this is very important and I don't want you to make mistakes on this after understanding what it is. So AB is equal to A dash B dash. AC is equal to. So when you talk about the sides, you use two capital letters to denote the sides. But when it comes to angles, I can say, hey, angle A is congruent to angle A dash. Angle B is congruent to angle B dash. Angle C is congruent to see what is the symbol I'm using. Congruent, I'm using this symbol. Do you all get it? Krishiv, did you understand this?
What does congruent mean?
Same shape, same size. Make sense? AB is equal to A dash. The sides are equal, angles are equal. Otherwise, what can I say? I can also use three different capital letters to indicate the angles. BAC. Here A, the middle letter is my angle. BAC. So this angle is the same as B dash A dash C dash. B dash A dash C dash. I can also say I'll use another color. You see? ABC. How to denote that? ABC means angle B is the same as A dash B dash C dash. Are you all getting it? I can either use three capital letters or just one capital letter to denote the angles that are equal. Make sense? Bihan, did you get it?
Kind of and kind of not. So because what you mean by that, like, is so if all of them are like C. So if there's A, B, and C, so the one in the middle would be like the angle.
These are line segments. AB is a line segment. BC is a line segment.
Yeah.
Okay. When I draw the two triangles, what I'm saying is, let me put it in colors for you. AB, the red line on this triangle is of equal length, meaning is of the same length as that of A dash B dash in the other triangle. AC on this triangle is of the same length as A dash C dash.
Yeah.
BC is of the same length as B dash C dash. You know what, how we call it? So we say we go in a clockwise direction. If you go, you should also go in the clockwise direction. I'll say ABC is congruent to triangle A dash B dash C dash. The order is important. The first two letter side is the red. The first two letter side, they are equal. The order of the letters is very important. The last two letters, BC, B dash, C dash. So the blue is equal to the blue. Indian, are you following Indian?
Yes, Auntie.
Now AC, the green, A dash, C dash, the green. Shiv, are you following?
Wait, so if it's A dash, C dash, so you can also be like so you can basically just go over B?
Yeah, you can go because that is one side, right? This
Okay.
is that side, right? AC is the same as A dash, C dash. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Now let's say I'm going to ask you one question now. I have two triangles, okay? I am saying I gave you these, okay? Now I'm saying ABC is congruent to I have to say triangle, okay? DEF. Now, can you tell me two sides that are congruent, Nikita or Johan? Can you tell me two sides that are congruent? Come on, guys. What are the two sides that are congruent?
A, B, and D, E.
Yeah.
Now, AB is congruent to what?
Uh,
D.
AB is congruent to EF.
AB is congruent to EF. No, don't look at the
DE.
figure. That's what I said. The order of the letters is important.
Oh, okay. And then AB is equal to DE. Oh, it's
AB
congruent.
is congruent to DE. Good job. DE. See, I drew it differently to be deceptive. I wanted it to be deceptive for you. Sreshta, can you tell me AC side is congruent to what, ma? AC side is congruent to what?
FD or DF.
AC is congruent to DF. Good job. Do you get it, ma?
Yeah.
AC, the first letter, last letter, first letter, last letter. Make sense? Yes, Krishav, tell me.
Go to the bathroom.
Yeah, go and come back quickly. Ishan, now tell me, EF is congruent to which side, Ishan? EF is congruent to which side? EF is congruent to which side?
Naito?
Ishan, it was...
is congruent to AB.
No. EF is congruent to which side? Ishan, are you following the class?
Yeah.
Jashwita, you tell me, ma. EF is congruent to which side?
BC.
Good job, Jashwita. EF is congruent to EF, the middle and the last letter to BC. Good job, ma. Do you get it, guys? Manvi, did you understand?
Sorry, my mom came into the room. I couldn't hear you.
Okay. Now, let's go ahead with this one. CEF, PQR. Now, I am telling you the triangle CEF is congruent to RQP. Please remember, okay? Now, angle Q is congruent to which angle? Angle Q is congruent to which angle? Angle Q is congruent to which angle?
We type in chat.
Yeah, you can shout out, ma. I really want to understand.
Angle
I'll ask angle E. Good job. So, how did you find that the middle angle is congruent? Good. Now, angle P is congruent to which angle?
Angle F.
F.
Angle. Good. That's it, guys. So, that's all about congruency. You got it? Now, if the sides are equal, right? I have a question for you. I have a critical thinking question. The sides are equal. Let's say CE is equal to RQ. I'm putting it in different colors. Now, EF is congruent to QP. And then the last side, we all know CF is congruent to PR. We all know that. Now tell me if they're congruent, right?
Yes.
I have this triangle with me. I want to construct this triangle. What should be meaning? I should multiply this side by what number to get this side?
Wait, you just said to construct?
Let's no. Okay. CE should be multiplied with what number to get RQ? CE, the length of CE should be multiplied by what number to get RQ?
E.
Hmm?
P.
There should be a number. I should be meaning I have huh?
2.
Why 2? Why did you pick 2?
Because the sides are what is it? It's it took 2 of them to complete a whole.
But I did not say that it's double, right? Anywhere did I say that it's double? I said they are congruent.
Wait, I think it's 1.
Shruti, you have an answer? Devansh says 2, Vihan says 1. So which is the correct answer? How will it be? Guys, we can all discuss. This is for an interactive discussion.
Can I go to the
I think
restroom?
it's,
Hmm?
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, please go and come
I
back
think
with
it's
me.
1 because I feel like they're the same thing because
Good job. It is 1. I said congruent means they both are exactly equal. CE is the same as RQ. They are of exactly the same length. That's what the congruent symbol means. The first 2 letter length is the same as RQ. EF length is the same as QP. CF length is the same as RP. The angle Q is exactly equal to E. Angle P is exactly equal to F. Make sense, guys?
yeah.
So they're exactly equal. But you know what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to make it into different. What type of figures are these? What type of figures are these?
Similar.
Similar.
Similar, same shape, different size. So there it's going to be different. So they are similar. This is the symbol we use. Congruent means I'll use this symbol. Similar means I'll use this symbol. Any questions here?
Are we
Any
supposed? How do we get that on Chrome? I mean, our computer.
How do you get that on your computer? You don't have to. There is a tilde symbol. Shift and then the key to the left of 1. Netra, are you following, ma? We are discussing congruency and similar figures. Are you following, Netra?
Yes.
Good. Now, Netra, did you submit the homework, Netra?
Working on it.
You're working on it. I would like you to submit the homework, ma, because see, you're coming late as well. Is it going to go through every week?
What?
Are you going to come late every week?
No. Starting from next week, I'm coming on time.
Oh, good. Okay. Now, I'm saying triangle CBA is similar to triangle DEF. So, what does it mean? They're similar, I tell you, correct? So, side AC, how is it related to DF? Who can tell me? What do you think? Shrestha, you tell me, you're keeping too quiet. AC, how is it related to DF?
It's
Anything, meaning I've not said anything, so there is no proper answer to this. So don't worry. What do you think about AC and DF?
they could be similar according to the shapes,
Yeah,
but
similar means what? Coming to their lengths, let's say this is 5. This can be anything. For that matter, this can be anything, right?
they look the same, but one is bigger.
Yeah, so definitely it should be greater than 5. You agree with me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the thing is, when they are similar, right? What does it mean? I'll tell you. Here, what are the sides that are similar? We'll see. Okay. AC side is similar. Here they are not congruent. So you cannot say that their lengths are equal. Okay. AC is similar to which side, Mas Reshta? AC side is similar to which side, ma?
DF.
DF. Netra, can you tell me? The side EF is similar to which side, ma? EF is similar to which side?
BC.
Really? Not from the triangle. You should not see the figure. EF is similar to, you have to be very careful with this. EF is similar to Devansh Kriship.
BA.
BA, good job. See, the last two letters. And then I gave you deceptive figures. And then BC is similar to what?
EF.
No, DE.
AC is similar to DF. And then BA is similar to EF. And then the last one, BC is similar to?
DE.
BC is similar to DE. Good
DE.
job. Good job, guys. Now, coming to the angles, what do you think, Jashvita? Coming to the angle, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6. Now, angle 1, similar, right? Would the angles be congruent or similar?
They would be similar, not similar to each. They would be only similar in one triangle because they all have like the same type of three angles in the triangle.
So let's say angle 1 is, let's say I give it 20 degrees, okay? Angle 3, let me give it as 60 degrees. This
It's
one, let me give
congruent
it.
because if they're similar, then the angles have to be the same. Because
Why?
you can't
Very good, very good.
make
Angles,
an angle bigger if they're similar.
angles are congruent. Why they are not? Similar means they have to be bigger by some number, they have to be big. Either I have to double them or I have to triple them.
The size or position could change, but all the time it will always be the same angle.
Exactly. The sum of the angles in a triangle has to be 180 degree. So same thing here, it cannot change. So angle 1, let's say angle 1 is A. Angle 1 is congruent to angle F. Angle C means what is that? Angle 3. Angle 3 is congruent to
Angle
which
F.
angle?
D.
D. What is that angle?
4.
Angle 4. Good job, guys. And then angle 2 is congruent to?
Angle 5.
So when it comes to angles, they're congruent. But with respect to the sides, still I have not explained what is similar. I told you congruent. That means exactly the sizes are equal. But here, when I came to similar, I never told you what does it mean. Let's say this is 5. Okay. I am also giving you that this is 10. Okay. Because it's bigger, right? Now I say, hey, this one is a 2. So what should be this?
4.
Why do you think so? How did you get
Because
that?
angle AC is doubled angle Five DF. was
That is true. But you have to remember that the red is equal to the red. Please don't go by the figures. Go by the order of the letters. BA should be similar to EF, meaning there is always a number I can multiply the length of this to get this. Make sense? Here it is a 2, it doubles, so it is a 2, and that is called the scale factor. I scale it bigger or smaller to make a similar figure. Devan, should you get it? I scale this figure by a number, which is called the scale factor, to get this figure. Sometimes I can even I can make this triangle this. If I make this big triangle a small triangle, then how will the scale factor be? Will it be bigger than 1 or less than 1?
less than 1.
Less than 1. Shiv, did you get that? Okay, now Shiv, the question comes to you. I'm saying the length of this is 6. What is the length of this, Shiv? BC. BC, the first 2 letters. DE. What is the first 2 letters?
The first 2 letters are DE.
Yeah, DE is how much? BC is 6.
Mm-hmm.
What is DE?
DE. So 2. Wait, sorry. I meant 6.
BC is 6. I'm asking for DE. You want Devan's help? He's raising his hand.
Yeah.
Okay, Devan's help him.
So the AB, the length of the AB is 2, 2, and so we have to multiply it by 2 because that's the scale factor, and then we'll get the
Good
answer
job.
4.
Good job. So if you multiply the scale factor by one of the triangle sides, you should get the other side. So we already saw 5 was turned to a 10, 2 was changed to a 4. So 6 will be changed to what, Shiv? 6 times 2 is 12. Manvi, are you listening or are you looking at something else?
I'm taking notes.
Okay, good, Ma. Let's see this one. How about this? So now, if I say this, here comes the hard part, okay? A, B, here comes the hard part. You will have to listen, guys, okay? T, E, let me make it smaller this time. ABC triangle is similar to FED. Okay, now guys, tell me, if I shade AB as red, which side should be shaded as red in that similar triangle?
FE.
Good job, guys. Okay, if I shade Manvi, maybe this is a question for you. BC is similar to which of the side in the other triangle?
ED.
Good job. Maybe Shiv, tell me, for AC, which should be the similar side in the other triangle?
FD.
FD. Good job, you got it. Okay, now this is the hardest part. So you all understood the basics of similarity. So let's say it reduced in size. So let's say the scale factor was half. Okay, the scale factor is half, right? So let's say this was a 5. This
Then
was
the
a
other
6.
one would
This one was a 12. So let's find out.
Reduction.
Yeah, reduction. So what was EF? Who can tell me what is it? I gave you the scale factor 2.
3.
Which one is a 3?
E and F.
EF.
Okay. DE?
6. I mean, no,
Good.
sorry.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5, yeah. I was looking at the other one.
Not at all a problem.
This
As long
one's
as you understand, then I'm happy.
6.
6. Okay. So you all understood. But it's so amazing to see this one. See, guys. AB by EF. AB by EF. AB divide by EF is what? Tell me, what is AB divided by EF? I'm sorry. AB. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I made a mistake, right? Okay, go ahead. What is AB by EF?
5 divided by 2.5.
5 divided by 2.5. Good job. Okay, now AB, EF we did. What is BC by ED? BC by ED, the last two letters.
6.
It is 6. Wait. No. 6 over.
6 over 3.
What is DF? See, first I'm always looking at the left figure. So that will be AC by DF, what it is.
12 over 6.
12 over 6. Let me put it the other way. EF, I'm coming from the second figure. EF by AB is what? 2.5 by 5, which is what? 1 by 2 will be the same as ED. I'm coming from the second figure on top. ED by BC. Then DF by AC. See, did you see that if I come from the second figure by the first figure side, DE by BC, EF by AB, DF by AC, it's always the scale factor. Did you notice that, Manvi?
Yes.
So what can I say about the sides of the similar triangle? Sides of the similar triangle are proportional. They have a multiplicative relationship. Does that make sense? Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Sides of a similar triangle are proportional. So when I multiply one triangle with the scale factor, I get the other triangle. That is always, I start from the first triangle, I multiply the scale factor, I get the second triangle. But how do I get the scale factor? I took the new triangle divided by the old triangle side is the scale factor. Does that make sense? And when you write the ratio, right, ratio of their sides, do you see it? They're all equal. Meaning this triangle's side by this triangle side is always equal to the scale factor. Second by the first. This divide by this. Shrestha, did you get it or you didn't get it, ma?
I got it.
Please don't change orders. If you change orders, it'll be incorrect. Scale factor is always the new by the old. Make sense?
Yeah.
Jashvita, did you understand the concept here between congruence and similarity?
Yes.
Very nice to know. How about this? How about this? Okay, let's see. I'm going to give you a question. Let me see how you see it, because I just discussed the concept with you. I did not teach anything right now, meaning I did not say, hey, you have to do this problem in this way. I did not tell you that. So why don't I give you this? Okay, this is a critical thinking question. I did not teach you anything, okay? But I'm just giving you, based on the concept, each of you, Manvi and Devant, you knew, I would like you to answer in chat, each of you. There is a question A, question B. You have to say A, comma B in chat and send both the answers together. A rectangular swimming pool in a drawing has a length, in a drawing, you draw a swimming pool. It has a length of 9 centimeter and a width of 6 centimeter. The actual pool has a length of 27 centimeter. Find the scale used for the drawing.
When you mean by scale, do you mean like the relationship?
Find the scale means the number that you multiply with.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
The number that you multiply with.
Thank you.
The actual is bigger, correct?
Yeah.
So the scale would be how much smaller it is in the drawing?
Yeah, scale is how much smaller it is for the drawing.
Okay.
A rectangular swimming pool in a drawing has 9 by 6. Okay. Guys, I would like to remind you that it is centimeter in the drawing, meter in the meter in reality. So please be careful. There's a difference. So the scale will also differ. Put everything in centimeter or put everything in meter and then answer your question. Find the scale in the drawing. Scale in the drawing means you're using a scale to reduce the size. So they're asking what scale you used to get this drawing from the bigger pool. What scale did you use? One way, if you go, if it's half, the other way, it's times 2. So they're asking, how did you get this drawing from the actual pool?
Send my answer.
So the scale should be less than 1 or greater than 1? Scale will be greater than?
That should be less than 1.
Less than 1, because you're coming to the scale drawing from a bigger pool, right? Krishiv, go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if mine was correct.
Scale is going to be a ratio. Do you see it? Scale is always a fraction, 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. It's always a fraction.
Is my answer correct?
What is the actual width of the pool? That is right, Krishiv. The second answer is right, but your scale seems incorrect. And you need to be
Priya,
very...
is my answer correct?
Nikita, how did you get that, Nikita? See, I told you one is centimeter and meter. Are you answering in... One is centimeter and meter, Nikita.
Oh, I see.
Vihan, one is centimeter, the other is in meter. So scale will be, your scale is correct, but the problem is you have not used proper measurements. When you talk about scales, both should be in centimeter or both should be in meter.
Can you find?
Ishan, again the same problem. Both should be in centimeter, both should be in meter. Second answer is correct, first answer is incorrect, ma. Johan, very good job, but then you have also not See, this is 9 centimeter, guys. This is 27 meter. You are coming from 27 meter to 9 centimeter. That is your scale, right? So you need to convert both to either centimeter or both to meter. 3000, Ishan, is it 3000? Pranav, scale factor is not 3. You're reducing. You're coming to the drawing. Find the
So,
scale used in the
how
drawing.
many centimeters in a meter?
Oh my goodness, that you need to answer, right? You tell
Ma'am,
me.
could you check my answers?
Yes, Manvi, perfectly correct. But the thing is, perfectly correct. But I would like you to express it as a ratio. That means like a fraction. Your answer is correct though.
Like this.
Pranav, is it 1/3? It's 9. Both should be meter or both should be in centimeter, because numerator and the denominator should be in the same units. Good job, Johan, you're right. Ishan, you're right. Devansh, good job. The scale factor is not 3 times B. A is reducing, right, Devansh?
Miss.
See, A is reduced from 27 meter, you're coming to 9 centimeter. So 27 meter by 9 centimeters is your scale factor. Right? Or anything. You get it? Did you get it? Devansh, try and
Is mine correct? It's about in centimeter.
Pranav, I am coming to the scale drawing. I am reducing the size. So your fraction has to be less than 1. Do you get it?
Kind of.
Okay.
Priya.
See, 227 meter is coming to 9 centimeter, right? Meaning, let me go through this.
Could
So,
you check?
okay, 1 minute, ma. 27 meter, you multiply with what number to get 9 centimeter? First, let me convert all to centimeter or meter. Otherwise, it's so confusing. So, this becomes 2700 centimeter times what number equal to 9 centimeter? How do I do that?
Like
1/3.
1/3. Do you do it and see and tell me? Is it 1/3 correct? No.
300.
I want to find out x. X is my scale factor. 27 times x will be equal to 9. What is x? 2700 times x will be equal to 9. Am I making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you send
1/300.
Manvi, good job. Good job, Manvi. Good job, Krishiv. 1/300, Krishiv. Krishiv, I am coming to the drawing. You see what I mean? I want to get the drawing. So 27 meters have been given. How to arrive at the drawing scale? Am I making sense, Krishiv?
Yeah, I think I understand it now.
Yeah. Shrestha, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
27 centimeter, I have to multiply with what number to get the 9 centimeter? 27 meter, which is 2700 centimeter. I multiply with x to give 9 centimeter. So divide by 2700 on both sides. So x will be equal to 1/300. So the scale is 1/300. What will be the actual width of the pool? Width is, this one is, see, 9 times 3, okay. But then it's 1/300, right? So if 27 meter, you multiplied by 1/300. So now you don't know the width of the actual pool. So let's say that's W. W, you will multiply with the same scale factor to get your 6. What is W? Multiply by 300 on both sides. W will be equal to 6 times 300, which is 1800 centimeter or 18 meter. Did you all get it? Netra, did you get it? Netra, did you understand, ma?
Yes, I understood. I also sent my answer in the chat.
Yes, I saw.
Okay.
Now let's see this one. You have to be
So wouldn't that mean that it would be 18 meters?
correct.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, The new triangle is always the new triangle. New by the old is the scale factor. Does that make sense? How about this? Try this one, guys. Two triangles ABC and DEF are similar. The sides of ABC are 6, 8, 10. The shortest side of DEF is 12. What is the scale factor from ABC to DEF? Are we increasing or reducing? First check that. If we are increasing, your scale factor is always bigger than 1. If we are decreasing, your scale factor is always less than 1. Are we increasing or decreasing? If we go from ABC to D,
Increasing.
increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
So what should be the scale factor? Come on. We have nicely understood
Wait,
congruences.
would A be like 6 or something?
What is the scale factor? I'm
Oh.
waiting for your answers in chat. Pranav, what is the scale factor? Good job, Johan. Nikita. Good job, Pranav. Sreshta, very nice lady. Netra, correct, ma. Manvi, correct. Vihan, please don't switch. I told you, right? You are going from ABC to DEF.
Oh, oops.
You have to be careful because that's the biggest mistake I always see. Jashwita, what is the answer, ma? Shiv, good job.
I still didn't write it.
Yeah, I saw that you didn't write it. That's why I asked you for the answer. Krishiv, I'm going from ABC to DEF. Is it increasing or decreasing? Do a sanity check. Should the value be greater than 1 or less than 1? Shruti, correct, ma. Vihan, correct. Devansh, good job. Would you like to do one more problem, guys? Slowly, you're all there. You're all getting there. Krishiv, good job. Did you understand why 2 and not half, Krishiv? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. How about, I want to understand, let's see. Okay. Okay, real world application. I can give you this. But that's a difficult question. I don't want to give you this. Let's see. You want some easy problems, right? Okay, maybe you can try this. Not a problem. Let's see. It's a real world application, okay? On similarity. Let's see. How about this? This is the last question. Let's see. On a map, the distance between two towns is 4.5 centimeter. When I'm drawing two, it's here towns, okay? I'm drawing the distance as 4.5 centimeter. Okay, the scale in the map, meaning what is the map scale? If I say scale means if I draw 1 centimeter on my drawing, it is actually 200,000 in reality. So they have clearly given that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 200,000 centimeter in reality. Find the actual distance between the towns in kilometers. So first you need to find, using the scale, you need to find the distance between the two towns in centimeters. Then convert that centimeter to kilometers. Let me see, guys, who all get it.
I don't get it.
You can tell the distance in centimeter too.
Oh.
Yes, Shiv, you got it right the last time. Pranav, that is great in centimeter. Can you convert it to?
Wait, how many centimeters equal a kilometer?
You have to know, guys. In my class, I cannot give you that answer and I won't let you have a cheat sheet. You have to know by heart. I will tell you an easy way to remember this. Remember this. There's a story. King Henry, he died unusually drinking chocolate milk. He died unusually drinking chocolate milk. U is the unit. It can be replaced with meter, gram, liter. Please, all of you remember, next time you're not going to ask me this. I talk to my 3rd and 4th graders. The middle is your meter, gram, liter. Okay. Now, we are only considering meters, so I will put M everywhere. If I put G, then it will become grams. If I put L, it will become liters. Now, I am here centimeter. I go to kilometer, right? Millimeter, centimeter. Don't worry about this. Meter, then you have kilometer in this step. So for every step you come down, you multiply by a 10. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 centimeter. Now you know the conversion. So now once you get the distance between the two cities in centimeter, convert it to kilometers using this and tell me the answer. Pranav, good job. You can leave and we can see you next week. I'll post homework on proportionality and congruence and similarity.
Okay, bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Miss Priya, I got it right?
I don't know. I can check one by one. Vihan, you got it right. You can leave. Shruti, I feel you by mistake added a 0. Can you check? Manvi, good job, ma. Manvi, I just want to understand how are you finding? Netra, that's incorrect, ma. Nikita, what is that, Nikita? Will that be that long? I am not that mean of a teacher to give you a question where you write so many digits.
Can you check mine?
Yes, I can. Johan, good job. You can leave. Sreshta. Oh my God, Sreshta. Did you do it correct? Please check. Not really Indian. I'm going to do it in the board. Ishan, no. Devansh. Okay, guys, see here.
Wait,
I'm going to do it in the board. You want me to do it in the board?
am I right?
I checked all answers. I don't think anybody is right here. Shruti, correct, ma. You can leave. Manvi, correct, ma.
Miss
Manvi, perfectly correct. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do it for you. Yeah, see, my scale on a map, I'm just putting 4.5 centimeter. I want to understand how much is that. My scale is what? For every 1 centimeter, I represent it as 200,000 in reality. So 4.5 centimeter, how do I do that? 1 by 200,000 is my scale. From where to where I went?
Is mine correct?
Let me finish, I have started explaining, right? So 1 by 200,000 is the scale. That means this is my map. This is reality, right? So that will always be equal to, in the map, it's 4.5 centimeter. So whatever I find in here, right, it will be the distance in the map. How to find it? The cross multiplication strategy really works. Draw 2 butterfly wings. Now 200,000 times 4.5. That will be equal to x times 1. That is x. How do you multiply this? This is actually 4.5 times 2 is 9. And then you follow it with 5 zeros. You have to be careful with the number of zeros. 90,000, 900,000. 5 zeros, right? And then a 9. That will be equal to x, but that is in centimeters. They want it in kilometers. You know, for every 100,000, it's 1 kilometer. So 900,000 centimeters, how many kilometers, Jashwita? Hundred thousand is 100,000 centimeters, 1 kilometer. We have 900,000 centimeters. How many kilometers? Who can tell me?
Oh,
9 kilometers. Krishav, did you get that now? I think you got it. You can leave, Krishav. Ishan, good job. Bye, guys. Netra, good job. You can leave.
Got
You
it.
guys, others, did you get it?
Bye.
I sent it.
Shanti.
Yes.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
You asked me to stay back for.
Yes, I really wanted to understand on your algebra book. What is the problem now?
It's coming on the 17th, and I don't think you sent the copy of the.
I don't have it, ma. I don't have a copy of your book. Okay, whatever answers I post out is what I have.
Oh, okay.
Get it? So, did you get the answers that I posted?
Let me ask my mom.
No, I really wanted you to have access to the answers before even you go out of this class. I don't want you to suffer. Let's see. That's why I wanted you to wait, clear it out, and then go. I can provide access right now. Yeah.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
What unit are we in?
What unit are we in? I don't know. You have to see the book, right? I can check and let you know.
Okay.
Hold
I
on.
just want to know which questions, like, in what unit.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
Oh, you can hear me? Because
Yes.
before you actually started the class, I also had some question with the homework.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't think I can do it now. You know what? I have to go out
Can we
as
do it?
well. Yeah, I can do it next week if that's okay with you, Shiv. I really gave you time, right? I really asked you what questions did you have, right?
I know, but yeah, but the minute I said Miss Priya, you continued.
I went out. Okay, let me clarify. Wait, but I really need to run for something else. I don't mind. Just this week. Yeah, go ahead.
Bye.
Yeah, wait, ma. I'll give you the. So
I found out what unit it's in. It's in 4, right?
it's in 4. So do you have access to all these 3?
Yeah. 3. Let me check. I don't have it for 3,
I
but
know.
my
Can you request it? I'll send the link to you now. Can you
Okay.
request that? Immediately I'll approve.
Yeah.